What's up, guys? Today we are teaching you how to detail wheels the muscle wash way. This will be the first video in a series where we will teach you how to detail cars the MW way, how we do it, and hopefully you guys can pick up and learn some stuff. Let's go! First things, glove up, protect them pretty hands. We prep our bucket. During a maintenance wash, we always start with the wheels due to them being the dirtiest part of the car. So, as you can see, they pick up a lot of brake dust, a lot of road grime. So, that's the first step. We begin with a wheel cleaner, break down all the dirt, get the tire too. We now snow foam to help the breakdown process. We allow that a few minutes to break down, let it all work before jetting down and beginning the contact process. Now that's had time to break down, we jet it down. Starting off, we're using the big boy brush. This will help us get on the inside of the alloy. This will also help you get into that front side of the caliper. We then use a smaller version. This will help us do the wheel arch. We then use a tire brush to clean the tire. We then use a hard brush to get rid of all the brake dust on the caliper, on the little corners of the alloy. Next, we use a soft brush to go over the face of the alloy. Lastly, we use a finger glove. That way we can get behind the alloy too. And that is alloy 1 of 4 done. Now we dry the wheels and then finish off with the tire shine. The alloys are now detailed, guys. Check out the glisten on those. Very good, very good. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to detail your wheels professionally, consider subscribing. That way you can see the next videos that we've got going on, the next tutorials, and learn some more from us. If you like this video, please like, helps us a lot. So yeah, hit that like button, guys, doesn't take a lot.